Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert image in Excel mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Microsoft application on my mobile phone. I'm going to go to the Microsoft right here, and then I'm going to open up this application, and I'm going to create an Excel document. I'm going to click on create and I'm going to select Excel. Okay, I'm just going to choose blank workbook, and here I'm going to show you how we can insert image in this Excel document. If you want to insert an image, we can go to the insert menu. You can click on this little arrow right here and then go to the home menu and then select the insert. Okay, in this menu, we'll be able to insert picture in our Excel document. We can click on pictures option and then you can select either you want to place over cells or place in cell. And I'm going to select place in cell, and then I'm going to select from file. I'm going to insert a picture from my gallery, for example this one. Okay, and then we can click on this arrow to add this picture to our document, and here you'll be able to add the photo or the image before you add it to your document. You can rotate it like this, and you can also crop it. Okay, and then after you have done editing the image, you can click on review and edit. Okay, and click on finish. You can also add a folder guys, and then I'm just going to leave it like that. Then I'm going to click on finish. Okay, and as you can see guys, that now the image has been inserted in this document. Since I have selected the place in cell, the picture now is inside the cell. But if you choose the place over cell, it means you add the picture over the cell, not inside the cell. I'm going to show you. Okay. This is what happened when you choose place over cell. Okay guys, and that's all the way to insert an image in Excel mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.